Alright, so with palm muting this week, one thing to keep in mind is pick gently. Make sure you're not really grinding the pick into the strings. You don't want to put a lot of pressure on the guitar. Be very gentle with it. Think about you just want to brush in the strings, even when you're going fast. Still want to think about just trying to brush the strings. You don't want to put a lot of oomph into it. You know, you're not trying to. So pick gently. Also make sure that, you know, maybe move your hand down further than you think you should to make sure that when you're hitting all three strings, you're not getting that. Getting the D string to ring out. I guess that would really be happening on the other one. Yeah, so when I'm doing this, I'm purposely making it so my hand's not really touching the string anymore. So you just make sure you bring it down a little bit more if you need, or if you hear any of that D string stuff ringing out on exercise 2 and the supplemental one. So pick gently. Make sure your hand is down far enough to get all three strings muted there. So let's do a few demo speeds here with this guy, and then we'll go on to the supplemental exercise number 2. Alright, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try not to use your elbow at all in this. Feel your elbow moving at all, do your best to stop moving it and just have it all come from the wrist and the thumb. It's kind of like you're, almost like you're just doing this. Just kind of bring your hand up, back down. It's kind of how it feels a little bit there when I'm doing this. Almost, yeah, it's kind of like you're doing that kind of thing. Anyway, let's go to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another thing you might want to try, like right now, feels like my pinky's actually underneath that part of the pickup, or at least that where the pickup sits. So try to make sure you're doing that. Don't have your pinky hanging like up here at all. Anchor your pinky down on the guitar body, and maybe even underneath the pickup like that too. And that'll definitely make sure that side of your hand is all the way down, and you're keeping it in the right spot. That's 140, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that last one is probably it. Okay, now let's do 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish with 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That was challenging. You can tell it's challenging because I did the guitar face I do, where I suck on my lips. I don't know why, because we all have a guitar face when we're having to try. So work the supplemental one up first. The 8th notes, work it up from 60 to 240. And get this done correct before you move on to the 16th note version of this. So here we go, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful to not use your elbow while playing that. So pick gently. Make sure you get all strings really muted so you don't hear that D string be unmuted at all. Try and anchor that pinky down here underneath the pickup or somewhere so you keep that side of your hand firmly planted on all your strings. Alright, here's 120. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the goal speed of 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you get it to that with the 8th notes, then it's time to go back to this guy and do the 16th note version. So back down to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will start to feel fairly choppy. That sure felt choppy to me, but we push onwards. 160 now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give 180 a shot. This is a funky rhythm to get going quick, especially palm muting. So if you feel like this is extra challenging, it's expected. Yeah, it's expected. All right, 180. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Maybe I can do 180 with this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah. Oh my. Yeah. So, well, there you go. Could I work it up? Of course. But there you go, 160. I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to try and keep going with the 180. I need to work on it more. But get as fast as you can. Definitely get at least to that 120 when you do switch over to 16th notes and get a little bit further. But again, we'll keep hammering away at this sort of thing and get the upstrokes better, get things smoothed out. So to pick gently. Try not to dig the pick in too deep, which is going to be challenging on something like this because of how much concentrated effort there is, or like how much effort there is concentrating on doing this one. But as always, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you again Friday.